Hi, I'm Lynn Walker, an immigration partner at Minor & Landis, here with this week's Lightning Round Q&A, a chance for you to ask us your pressing employment and family-based immigration questions. This week, we're going to answer your questions about applying for a non-immigrant visa at a U.S. embassy or consulate abroad. So the first question we received was, can I apply for my non-immigrant visa at any U.S. embassy or consulate abroad? Unfortunately, the answer is no. Most embassies and consulates prefer that you apply for your non-immigrant visa in your home country, not as a third country national or a TCN. A TCN is a foreign national who applies for their visa in a country other than their home country. For example, a TCN would be a citizen of China who applies for a visa in Canada. There are embassies and consulates that will accept TCN applicants, but this is not a blanket policy. It changes based on the embassy or consulate staffing levels, security issues, and visa appointment demands. Moreover, certain issues, such as a previous visa overstay, make a person ineligible to apply as a TCN. During the height of the COVID pandemic, TCN availability became highly restricted, and this remains the situation to date. The second question we received was, how can I determine how long it will take to make a visa appointment? Visa appointment wait times vary greatly by country and by visa type. The Department of State has issued guidance to embassies and consulates abroad to make student visas such as the F, J, or M visa a priority. So, with limited exception, all other non-immigrant visa applications will take longer. To check the visa appointment wait times, you can search in your web browser using the following search terms: U.S. visa appointment wait times. And that will bring you to the Department of State's searchable website where you can search by the city where the embassy or consulate is located. For example, right now, the Department of State is showing a wait time of approximately 360 calendar days to obtain an appointment in Ottawa, Canada, for a tourist visa, 30 calendar days to obtain an appointment for a student visa, and 60 calendar days for all other non-immigrant visa applicants. While the U.S. Embassy in Mumbai, India is taking approximately 730 calendar days for a visitor visa appointment, 53 calendar days to obtain a student visa appointment, and 48 calendar days to obtain an appointment for all other non-immigrant visa applicants. As these dates change daily, and in our experience, such postings are highly inaccurate, we recommend scheduling your appointment as soon as you know you will need to travel to the United States. The third question we received was, how do I apply for a non-immigrant visa? We cannot emphasize how important the next 2 points are. Apply as early as possible because the embassies and consulates are still experiencing extensive delays due to COVID and staffing issues. Again, the website for the specific embassy or consulate where you are applying for your visa will have the appropriate link to the DS-160 application online. Keep in mind that each person applying for a visa will need to complete their own DS-160. So, for example, if you are entering the U.S. in H-1B status, but you have a spouse and a child entering in H-4 status, your spouse and your child will each need their own DS-160 completed. The second step is to pay the Machine Readable Visa Fee, or the MRV fee, which is determined based on the type of visa classification that you are applying for, as well as any reciprocity fee, which is determined by treaties and policies between the U.S. and your home country. The third step is to appear for your visa interview with the required documentation on your interview date. Again, the website for the embassy or consulate where you are applying will have the list of required documents that you need to bring with you. That's all we have time for today. If we did not get a chance to answer your question, or if you have an urgent immigration matter, please feel free to contact us to schedule a consultation. Finally, don't forget to message us on LinkedIn and keep those questions coming in. We'll do our best to answer them in our next lightning round. In the meantime, be sure to continue to follow us for frequent updates on new rules and policies that impact U.S. immigration. Thanks for listening.
Disclaimer: the information contained herein is intended only for educational or informational purposes and is not a substitute for legal advice. Further, listening to this HR tip in no way establishes an attorney-client relationship between you and Minor & Landis, LLP. Listeners should consult legal counsel for definitive advice regarding the current law and regulations and how those apply to your unique situation within your organization.